friends, I'm going to demonstrate about the deployment diagram of payroll system application. A deployment diagram is another model of implementation diagram. Another one is component diagram that I have described earlier. So the deployment diagram models the hardware components that are used in the implementation of the system and the association between those hardware components. So the component is represented by this. Component represents a software entity in the system, and the node represents a piece of hardware in the system. This entity is represented by a three-dimensional cube. An association is drawn as solid lines between the two nodes. It indicates the line of communication between the hardware system. So in my payroll system application, it's very simple. So I have only three servers, namely main and server, login server, and bank server. The login server is basically responsible for user authentication and verification. So it is connected to the main server that helps in doing all the other work, such as adding the employee, then deleting the employee, creating records, then updating the user account, etc. And once authentication of the user, main server can be accessed. Now it is connected to another server called the bank server that is responsible for updating the bank account of the employee. It is also responsible for sending account update messages to the employee. So for my payroll system application, it's a very simple deployment diagram that has the login server, main server, bank server representing the hardware components that is connected via the dependencies. So this is an example of deployment diagram. Thanks for watching.